call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god. Let's go.
I disagree. His ex-wife makes good money and the children aren't entitled to a maintenance of lifestyle. Yeah, they are. I don't know why y'all keep thinking that children are beneath you or they don't deserve this or they don't deserve that. Yes, they do. Children are extremely expensive. You guys want children to live like these lives like they're urchins and shit. Like they live in an orphanage in this motherfucker. You don't realize how expensive children are. You don't understand. Like you don't even get it. So some kids, they live a lifestyle like they go to a specific type of school, they live in a specific type of neighborhood, and then when you get a divorce, it's like you want to move your kids to a completely different place. They got to start all over. Like it's discomfort to pull your kids out of a school where they've built all of these friends with and pull them out and take them somewhere else. And it's just, you guys who don't have kids, you wouldn't know. But it can become a very difficult thing, like this person is saying right here. Doctors, dental appointments, home repairs, shopping, cooking, home decor, coordinating everything for the child's school and college, coordinating extracurricular activity. Come on, man. Summer camp, tutoring. All this shit costs. Clothes. Like, y'all don't understand. Kids are expensive as shit. And if your dad is fucking Tyrese, and your dad and your mom been married, you've been accustomed to a specific type of lifestyle. And when you take children out of a lifestyle you have built for them for X amount of years, it's just... Keep the conversation going and join the Black Macho Discord now. You love my content, don't you? Well, join the Black Macho Patreon. Membership includes macho merchandise, digital ebooks, exclusive content, and commission-based ways to earn income with me, Soncerae Monique. Are you a Black woman who is tired of feeling invisible or misunderstood? Do you struggle with embracing and celebrating your natural beauty and strength? Well, I'm here to help you out, sis. My guide is here to help you unlock your full potential as an empowered, confident, and radiant Black woman. My comprehensive guide covers everything from skincare and healthcare to fashion and self-love. I provide practical advice, inspirational stories, and empowering affirmations that will help you navigate the world with grace and courage. Join the movement and embrace your Black femininity today. You can go to Amazon right now and purchase my book, or you can go to SonceraeMonique.com and grab a signed copy of Becoming Her, a Black femininity guide, written by me, Soncerae Monique, dedicated to you.